Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Being Bunao. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make roasted bacon Brussels sprouts. Let's get to it. The ingredients that you're going to need are 16-ounce Brussels sprouts, cooked bacon, an onion, minced garlic, a lemon, salt and pepper, and country crock. First, rinse and dry the Brussels sprouts. Cut the individual Brussels sprouts in half. I know it will take a little bit of time, but it will be all worth it in the end. Set the Brussels sprouts aside. Now chop the cooked bacon into small little pieces. Set them aside. Now grab the onion. Chop it into smaller pieces. Next, grab the lemon, cut it into fourths. Next, prep your flat top grill. I like using the Blackstone grill when cooking the Brussels sprouts. If you're interested in checking it out, check out the link below. If you don't have a flat top grill, any cooking pan on the stove should work. Next, grease the grill with about 2 to 4 tablespoons of country crock. Add the chopped onion. Then saute the onion in medium heat along with the garlic with country crock until it's golden brown. Now add the chopped Brussels sprouts. You can add more onions or garlic if you prefer. Now mix the Brussels sprouts, onions and garlic, turning them every now and then so they roast together. Cook them for about 2 minutes. Now salt and pepper to taste. Now add the chopped bacon. And then mix. And now dish it up and enjoy. That's it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe. I hope you have a great rest of the week. We'll see you next time. Bye.